To begin to do a double crochet, we're going to immediately chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Normally in crochet that's what it counts as unless it tells you otherwise. So chaining 3 is the first post. So the first stitch is actually right here. Next you're just gonna wrap the hook first, so yarning over and then going into the stitch, yarning over, pulling through. You have 3 loops, and if you pull through all 3 that's a half, but if you're doing a double, yarning over, pull only through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2. So yarning over, going to the next stitch, going into the next stitch, pull through 2 and 2. And you continue to do that all the way down. Double crochet is used in most projects really, and it makes for really quick crochet projects, and it's has a really unique look to it, and some people don't like that look, so they simply just choose a different stitch if they would like to. You're gonna come in all the way to the end of your row. Now what you need to watch for when you turn it is that you gotta include that last chain as a stitch. So let me show you that. So you're gonna chain up 3 to begin. That's your first double crochet, and you just jump to the next one. Where you can go wrong the most, and where most beginners go wrong, is that turning chain at the very end. They either add extra to it or they skip over it, and the project ends up turning into a triangle instead of a square or a rectangle. So what you need to watch for is that very last turning chain. It's called the turning chain because that's what you did. You chained up. So a lot of people would finish right here because they think, oh okay, that looks like it's done, but you literally have to go into this chain. Don't go ever into a gap space. Go right into the top of the chain. So to make sure that there's a yarn strand underneath it, and then just double crochet as normal. You will notice that it has a little bit of a larger gap here. That's normal in crochet. Some people think that they're screwing it up, but they're not. And then you simply turn your work and then begin again. So chaining 3 and double crocheting all the way across, and don't forget that turning chain that you need to go into. This is how you do double crochet.